Sources say that President Pranab Mukherjee has given a nod to Delhi Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung to explore the possibility of government formation by inviting BJP, which finished as the single largest party. Sources in the government said that the centre will inform the Supreme Court of President's view on government formation today. Meanwhile, the top court will also hear Aam Aadmi Party's petition seeking the dissolution of Delhi Assembly.
हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आज इस दिशा में कोई महत्वपूर्ण फैसला होगा, क्योंकि बहुत दिन से एक के बाद एक तारीख लगती चली जा रही है और केंद्र सरकार अपना रुख कायम करने की जगह एक तरह से बीजेपी का डर बार बार सामने आता है, वो दिल्ली में चुनाव कराने से बच रही है। 5 महीने हो गए इन लोगों को दिल्ली में देश में सरकार बनाए हुए, अब तो 2 राज्यों में जीत भी चुके हैं, तो अब थोड़ी हिम्मत दिखाएं और कहें कि हम दिल्ली की विधानसभा को भंग करके दोबारा चुनाव में उतर रहे हैं, क्योंकि इन्होंने उपचुनाव घोषित कराया है। उपचुनाव में ये 3 सीटें मान लीजिए हाइपोथेटिकली जीत भी गए, हालांकि इनसे अब ये दिल्ली की सीटें गई, तीनों में पिछली बार जीत गए थे, तो कैसे इस बार जीतने वाले नहीं है। फिर भी मान लीजिए तीनों जीत भी जाएं, तब भी इनके पास 32 सीटें होती हैं, सरकार बनाने का आंकड़ा तो फिर भी नहीं होगा इनके पास। 32 सीटों पर पहले ही मना कर चुके हैं, तो अब कैसे सरकार बना सकते हैं?
ये एक तरीके से कहा जाएगा यह पक्षपात है, और भाजपा जैसे सांप्रदायिक दल, जिस सांप्रदायिक दल की देश में सरकार आने के बाद त्रिलोकपुरी में दंगे हो गए हैं, दिल्ली जैसे शहर के अंदर दंगे शुरू हो गए हैं, मैं चाहता हूं, कांग्रेस पार्टी चाहती है कि अनैतिक तरीके से, अनाचार से, दुराचार से, हाउस ट्रेडिंग से, बैकडोर से भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सरकार बनाने की इजाजत नहीं मिलनी चाहिए। ये पूरी तरह लोकतंत्र के खिलाफ होगा, और अगर इसके बावजूद भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी सरकार बनाती है तो कांग्रेस पार्टी, कांग्रेस विधायक दल और कांग्रेस पार्टी के सभी सदस्य पूरी शक्ति के साथ जब विश्वास मत सदन में आएगा तो हमारे दल उस विश्वास मत के खिलाफ वोट डालेगा और हम भाजपा की सरकार को फ्लोर पे गिराएंगे। हम भाजपा की सरकार दिल्ली में इसका विश्वास मत को पारित नहीं होने देंगे।
Well, my colleague Aditya is tracking all the developments on the story. He joins us on the phone line now. Aditya, first of all, put this in perspective. What does it mean when the president gives nod to the lieutenant governor to explore possibilities of government formation with the single largest party? Are we going to see a BJP government in the capital soon?
Well, all speculations do not exactly rule out the exact speculation, because the BJP is the single largest party at this moment, and perhaps now all routes for the lieutenant governor are clear, because the president has finally consulted all the legal options, and finally top sources within the government confirming to Times Now that a nod has been issued. All technical clearance has been issued to the president that a nod can be given, and that is why the President of India, Honorable Pranab Mukherjee, has given a nod to the Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung of Delhi. And now the centre will inform the Supreme Court today that dissolution is not a possibility at this moment, but perhaps Bharatiya Janata Party was clearly the single largest party with 32 seats at that moment, 29 as of now. So certainly they should be asked to explore the possibility, if at all. And now we have to see, because Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party for a very long time have been charging the Bharatiya Janata Party with horse trading, not just horse trading. Recently he alleged that, in fact, fake voters were being created, 5,000 per constituency. As early as yesterday, he told Times Now, Arvind Kejriwal himself, saying that Trilokpuri riots perhaps were indirectly sparked by right-wing activists. So certainly politics in the national capital heating up, but perhaps today in the Supreme Court between 10:30 and 11:30, the petition of the Aam Aadmi Party being represented by Prashant Bhushan.
Aditya, we'll talk more about that petition of the Aam Aadmi Party, which is going to come up in the Supreme Court today, but we are also getting some more political reactions on this fast-changing scenario in the national capital. Let's listen into those reactions first.
अगर बीजेपी को राष्ट्रपति जी ने एलजी को नोटा दे दिया, एलजी साहब नोटा देते हैं, तो सरकार तो बनी जाएगी। 29 विधायक उनके पास हैं और 3 सीटों पे चुनाव आयोग ने भी बोल दिया इलेक्शन करवाने के लिए, और ये तीनों सीटें अगर बीजेपी के खाते में आ जाती है तो सरकार तो बन जाएगी। 35 या 36 तक का आंकड़ा पहुंच जाएगा, उससे बन जाएगी सरकार उससे।
देखिए, इसमें 1 साल हो गया इन्हीं बातों को लेके करते करते, तो मैं समझती हूँ कि सिंगल लार्जेस्ट पार्टी है बीजेपी, उनको मौका देना चाहिए, वो बनाए किस तरह से बनाते हैं ये देखना पड़ेगा। बाकी ये है कि सरकार तो अब इलेक्शन में देखिए कोई भी नहीं जाना चाहता, कोई एमएलए इलेक्शन नहीं चाहता, लेकिन ये कि अगर वो सरकार बना रहे हैं तो बनाना चाहिए। प्रेसिडेंट ने कहा है और उनको बुलाएं, वो किस तरह से बनाते हैं, पर सरकार होनी चाहिए, ये दिल्ली की जनता की मांग है।
Right, let's go back to my colleague Aditya. Then Aditya, we were talking about the petition filed by the Aam Aadmi Party for the dissolution of Delhi Assembly in the Supreme Court, which is going to come up for hearing today. Are we expecting a final word from that side as well?
Well, perhaps yes, we might hear by the Supreme Court something positive on this note, because the Aam Aadmi Party has been daring the Bharatiya Janata Party, in fact telling that they cannot really challenge the might of the Aam Aadmi Party. We've seen that during the last elections, of course, Aam Aadmi Party was clearly emerging as one of the largest parties. Of course, BJP had the most seats. Certainly, Aam Aadmi Party, with the support of Congress, was able to form the government, perhaps only for 49 days. That's why BJP has been targeting Arvind Kejriwal. But now politics heating up. Will the Supreme Court of India finally take a decision on either re-elections or dissolution of the assembly, or will the Bharatiya Janata Party, as is the centre's view, be invited as the single largest party? And what will the BJP do? Where will it get the other kind of support? Will other Aam Aadmi Party members abstain from voting if the voting really takes place in the Delhi Assembly? Because that has been the charge that the Aam Aadmi Party is doing, that there has been horse trading going on behind the door. But the BJP at this moment clearly says that they won't comment before the Supreme Court takes the final call, and that has been the stand of the Election Commission as well.